grade 11 learners of SD1, Pangasinan. This is Sir Markley, your mathematics teacher. And you're about to learn a new lesson in general mathematics, particularly simple interest. The lesson's objectives for this day are illustrate simple interest and solve problems involving simple interest. First, we need to know what is simple interest. So simple interest is when the interest on a loan or investment is calculated only on the amount initially invested or loaned. This is different from compound interest, where interest is calculated on the initial amount and on any interest earned. Note that the simple interest formula can be used to calculate the interest earned, the total amounts, and the other values depending on the problem. In many simple interest problems, you will be finding the total interest earned over periods, which is represented as I. And now, the formula for simple interest is I equals P times R times T, where P is the principal and it is the amount of money borrowed or invested. R is the rate of interest and it is the percent charge. Lastly, T is the time in years. Remember that in the formula, the principal P is the initial amount borrowed and time must be years to apply the simple interest formula. For example, to buy a car, Rose borrowed 150,000 for 3 years at an annual simple interest rate of 9%. How much simple interest will she pay if she pays the entire loan off at the end of the 3rd year? And what is the total amount that she will pay? Always take a moment to identify the values given in the problem. From the details, we are given time is 3 years and that is T equals 3. Second, the initial amount is 150,000 pesos and that is P equals 150,000. Lastly, the rate is 9%. Take note, write this as a decimal and that is R equals 0.09. Now, apply the formula. First, find the interest she will pay. We all know that the formula for simple interest is I equals P times R times T. We are going to substitute all the given values in our formula, where P is 150,000, R is 0.09, and T is 3 years. And now, we are going to multiply 150,000, 0.09, and 3. And we will get I equals 40,500. Rose will pay 40,500 pesos in interest. You can find the total amount A to be repaid on a loan by just adding the principal P to the interest I. Now, P plus I equals A, where P is the principal, I is the interest, and A is the amount. We all know that P is equivalent to 150,000 and the computed value for I, which is interest, is 40,500. If we are going to add these two values, we get 190,500. Therefore, Rose will pay a total amount of 190,500 pesos on her loan. That is all for today, my dear grade 11 learners. Stay safe and keep learning.